Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by accessing the Vivo'dict Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner and hold briefly if needed. Once visible, make sure basic toggles, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, are set as you want. Next, tap the gear or edit icon to enter customization mode so you can rearrange tiles. You do this now because the layout determines how fast you reach features later. Rearranging here saves repeated steps during daily use, and it only takes a few taps. Once you're in edit mode, drag and drop tiles to prioritize the actions you use most often. Place your top 3 within thumb reach. You can add or remove tiles by tapping the +/- icons, and long pressing a tile exposes advanced settings like holding behavior or shortcuts. Make sure to group similar actions, media controls together, system toggles together, because this reduces search time. After arranging, tap Save or Done so your layout persists across reboots and quick sessions. You're ready to use the Control Center. Long press tiles for secondary controls like volume presets or recording options, and double-check gestures work in daily apps. Make sure to restrict lock screen access through security settings if you want to protect quick actions. If your customization disappears, clear the system UI cache, apply any system updates, and reboot the device. These steps resolve most reset issues. If problems persist, try removing, then re-adding the offending tile to refresh its configuration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.